I started seeing results just 1 week into the program. So when I stood on the weighing scale from 78, it had already come down to I think 74.9 just 1 week into the program. So I thought, चलो ठीक है, ये थोड़ा starting का effect है. Then the second week ended and it was 71. Then I thought, this is serious, because I have been struggling to get my weight to a certain figure that was in my mind. I did not research about it or whatever it is. A certain figure was in my mind, but I wasn't able to get below 70 at all in the last 7 years or so. So when it came down to 71 in the second week itself, then I thought, shit is real. So Pallavi's coaching style is awesome because first of all, her flow is good, and her thoughts are they are very planned. So it doesn't seem like she has by hearted something or something like that. It's natural. So I'm very sure that she has the complete program at the back of her palm. So she doesn't need to look into any manual or whatever it is. I'm sure because she has lived the program, and that is the reason she is well versed with it. And that is the only reason why it's effective, because if you are dedicated towards something, then the effect on the other person is also the same. I'm Kunal Sharma. My age is 38. I was a good sports person. I was a cricketer. I have played for Maharashtra for Ranji Trophy, and due to some circumstances I just left it. Over a period of time, my lifestyle choices changed because of the environment that I was in. At a point in time, around 7 to 8 years ago, I gained so much weight that I couldn't move properly. I was 98 kgs, and one day I was playing cricket and I got injured, and then it struck me that health is wealth. Over a period of just 1.5 months, I've realized that though I was eating healthy, but I wasn't eating correct. So I made a lot of changes in my self-made health program with Pallavi's help, and then those changes were so massive and so perfect. I also had an issue which is IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. It did not trigger at all in the last 1.5 months. Otherwise it used to trigger every week, and I was low on energy. For the last 1.5 months of the program, the energy level has been constant, and I just checked my weight yesterday. It was 63.4. So I think Caliber Eat just changed the way I looked at food and the way I ate food. So now I have followed a lot of programs. I have been following intermittent fasting since the last I think 7 years since the time I was injured. So intermittent fasting also has a certain limitation with regards to health benefits. So you can do well with intermittent fasting, but the cleansing process and everything, that was the major thing that Caliber Eat helped me do, and I'm proud of it. So my expectation, as Pallavi says, big why, were two things: get rid of IBS, and this might sound funny, but I had good abs when I was in college, so I wanted to get them back. I was trying it every year, but never happened. So these are the two things that I have achieved in the last 1.5 months, and I am happy that these are the motivational factors that will keep me going forward and following this program as a lifestyle altogether, all my life. When I was 78 kgs on 21st of Jan, when I began the program, I thought I was muscular and whatever, क्या दिमाग में खुद का बनाया हुआ जो बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर है, I thought I was perfect. But then at 63.4 I am feeling very energetic, and I have achieved half of the big why of getting abs. So without exercise I've got the upper 4 abs, and I'll achieve them after the program ends when I begin exercising again. So I've had IBS since the age of 16 and it has never stopped. So at the beginning it was so intense that I had to visit the washroom around 15 to 16 times a day, which took away my energy, which sucked away my energy, and it affected my daily life, the daily chores that I did. However, after joining the program, the IBS did not trigger even once. Just before the program began, it used to trigger at least once a week, and even that once a week was so effective that I had zero energy on one day before and 2 days after the IBS triggered. But it hasn't triggered and my energy levels are constant, so I'm very happy. So I had tried all the medications. I started with allopathy, then I went to homeopathy, and then Ayurveda, and then yoga, some kind of breathing techniques and everything, and nothing worked. But I think Caliber Eat program worked. I was taking probiotics for my IBS, and I continued it during the program, the first week of program, but then things changed and I felt positive and I stopped the probiotics, and I haven't been taking probiotics since then. The first is IBS, second is looking at my abs after years, that might be after 16-17 years. The third is the energy levels. My energy levels are insane. From the time I wake up till the time I sleep, the energy levels are constant, and I'm loving it because there are no mood swings, there are no hiccups in my energy. I walk 20,000 steps a day and still my energy is constant till the time I sleep. So when fourth would be my sleep, because I used to get very I wasn't a deep sleeper. So since the last 2 or 3 weeks my sleep has been awesome. So I've been tracking my sleep on my tracker. So previous to the program, my deep sleep was just 2 hours. It has increased to around 4 hours 15 minutes now, and I've googled it, and it's the 4 hours is way above the world average for deep sleep. And the fifth would be that the happiness quotient, the happiness quotient has increased, and the emotional quotient was great before, but now it's awesome. So everything is balanced right now. I had tried some diet programs before when I was gymming, and my personal trainer recommended to try a diet program. However, that diet program wasn't so effective. One, Caliber Eat should be termed as 100 on 100, because those diet programs are specifically for people, they are not people specific, they are generally created by dietitians कि ऐसा कर लो और ये results आ जाएगा, without knowing the background. So following that diet program, my IBS got triggered again and again and again and again, due to which I couldn't work out well also. But during Caliber Eat, everything is good. Zero trigger, the IBS hasn't triggered at all. So when I joined the program, I thought I research everything before anything begins. So I researched about nutrition programs and all those things. So there was a lot of diet and parhez karna कि ये मत खाओ वो मत खाओ. But then I found out that even scientific eating, the way Pallavi taught us, so is the best way. So if you're fulfilling your nutritional hunger, that's more than enough. So that's what I was surprised about. You don't have to recommend a program. When people see the change in you, the changes in your skin and your body structure and everything, they generally ask कि क्या कर रहा है तू यार. तो मैं बोलता हूँ ऐसा डाइट एक न्यूट्रिशन कोर्स करो. कौन सा कोर्स है यार? Then I let them know about the program and then they get interested.